Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the garden. It's a good day to bring you guys in the garden with me. Of course, I have my little precious right there, my baby with me. And yes, guys, look at this grass. I didn't water this grass for a week. Oh my God. It was hot. And this morning when I wake up, because I've been concentrate myself and working on this side, but when I wake up this morning, this grass was so dry that scared me. And I get the rose and I water it twice already. I'm just not Hey, baby. Hey, mama. Come here. I'm here. You don't need to be scared. You're running away like a little raccoon. Say, Mom, I'm scared. I can protect you and I will protect you, precious. Come back. Come back to me. She always, every time when Precious show up, I can concentrate. It's all the attention go to her. Yes, guys, that's this side. And I want so bad, guys, to fix that circle thing over there so much, but I always find myself doing all the things. That's the reason this side always that way. But it's like I like it. The grass is fine over there, but I need to reset that metal thing over there, and I bring some pile of work. I need to adjust it better, but I never find time to do it, or it's me fighting to keep those flowers alive over there, or me trying to do something constantly in this garden. Even I don't have the garden here, but I always have with my time, I always have to do something, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to give you guys an update on this side over there. She's still there with my beautiful flowers over there. I think I'm okay. It's a beautiful side. I know I can make it better, but time it is run out for me. Thank you, friends, for watching. See you for another video on the garden. If you're not subscribing yet, please consider yourself subscribed and give me a thumbs up, like, and share. Have a blessed day. Precious, what are you saying? Did you say good morning? Say, guys, subscribing to my mommy channel. Subscribe. Say, Mom, take the phone off in my face. Mom, you give me bad attitude now. Mother. Thank you, friends, for watching.